In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can stop automatic posting of your Instagram posts on Facebook. You can simply disable the option of uploading your Instagram posts to Facebook automatically in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Facebook. On the menu page, head into your settings and privacy. Then select Settings. On the settings page, tap right here on this first option. Then scroll down onto the option of Accounts. You will have to tap on Remove Instagram Account. On this page, head into the option of Manage How You Share Content. You will have to disable the option of Share Your Content to both accounts automatically. As you can see, all these options are disabled, and that's how yours should be. That's how easy it is to disable sharing Instagram posts, stories and reels on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.